Our final strategy for multiplying one-digit numbers by two-digit numbers is the basic facts strategy. The basic facts strategy involves breaking down complicated equations into smaller ones that we already know the answer to as part of our known basic facts. Once again, let's look at the equation 8 times 23, but this time we will answer the problem using our basic facts. Looking at both numbers in the equation, I'm comfortable with 8 because it's a small, simple number. The number 23 is larger, so I'll break it down this time into the number 8 plus the number 8 plus the number 7. In other words, I'm going to substitute the numbers 8 plus 7 into the equation in place of 23. Going back to the equation, this means that in order to multiply 8 times 23, I'm going to multiply 8 times 8 plus 7. Again, notice the brackets keeping the components of 23 together. Another way of looking at this is that I'm going to multiply 8 by 8 and multiply 8 by 8 again, and finally multiply 8 by 7. Using our basic facts, we know that 8 times 8 is 64. Again, 8 times 8 is 64, and finally again using basic facts, 8 times 7 is 56. To determine the product of 8 multiplied by 23, we add the products of 8 times 8, 8 times 8, and 8 times 7, which are 64, 64, and 56. Now, when we add numbers in our heads, it's always useful to look for friendly number combinations, like those numbers which add up to 10 or multiples of 10. In this case, I'd look at 64 and 56 because the final digits of 64 and 56 are 4 and 6, and 4 plus 6 equals 10. So I can think of 64 plus 56 as 60 plus 50 plus 4 plus 6, or 50 plus 60, which is 110, and 4 plus 6, which is 10, for a total of 110 plus 10, which equals 120. To arrive at the final answer, I can take 120, which is a friendly number since it's a multiple of 10, and add it to the final 64, like this: 120 plus 60 plus 4, or 120 plus 60, which equals 180, plus 4, which equals 184. So the product of 8 times 23 is 184.